This is my lottery dream home. You may not know it from the scenery, but I'm actually driving through Florida right now. The Sunshine State is famous for its beaches, but here's a news flash. Its freshwater game is strong too. I'm in the beautiful Lakeland area headed to see my latest winner. When Roy retired after 30 years in the fire service, he began volunteering as a paramedic and also took up playing the lottery. It took a few years, but Lady Luck eventually paid him back for a lifetime of service with a big win. Now Roy wants to upgrade the apartment where he raised his family for 30 years to a dream home. Yeah, I think I can do that. That's gonna be fun. Oh my God.
All righty, he's here.
Bring it in.
He's here. All right.
How are you?
I'm great.
Good to
I'm
see
great.
you.
This is
Oh,
Rocky.
he's bringing it in.
This is right. Step on in.
Thank you
Come on
very
in now,
much.
Bromstad here.
Thank
Get on
you.
in here. We check this little place out.
Yes.
You can have a seat.
Oh, thank you very
All righty,
much,
good
Rocky.
man. Good man. Have a seat
All
there.
right.
All right.
So 30 years you've been here.
Yes.
That's crazy. There's a lot of
Yes.
memories here.
No doubt about it. Raised my kids here. Went to high school right across the street.
Wow.
And it's been a very favorable chapter
Good.
in our lives.
How much money did you win?
It was 1.4 million, and it was.
That feels good, doesn't it? Say that again.
1.4 million. There you go.
Obviously, you've been here for 30 years.
Yes.
Was buying a home the first thing that popped into your mind when you won the millions of dollars?
Absolutely. My wife, Janet, and she passed away about 6 years ago.
Sorry to hear that.
But the deal of it is, her and I was looking for a home late 90s. Well, unfortunately, she had a medical issue. And so I said, well, hey, baby, here's what we're going to do. We're going to put this house on hold. We're going to take care of you. Absolute fantastic. And for like 2 years, I worked 4 jobs round the clock. So she would never, ever have to feel like her illness caused her family to be without something. Worked out good.
Wow. There's a lot happening with this win. Tell me about your dream home.
I want to have enough room in there so everybody's got their own space. And kind of want maybe some raised ceilings with the recessed lights and stuff. And I want a nice yard. And he's going to mow it.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
As long as you're under this roof, my friend.
Yeah.
How many bedrooms are we looking? Obviously, 2 or more.
We got to have at least 3.
Yeah.
Because when my other children come over.
Do you want a whole ensuite with a master bedroom, with a master bath, and a walk-in closet all in one room behind one closed door?
Yes.
Yes, you do. I think that we need a little king suite just for you.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So how much are we looking to spend on this dream home?
Right around 300-ish. As long as we keep it in that ballpark, we're good.
I like that number. We're going to find you guys your best dream home.
We're counting on that.
The journey begins at Cypress Pointe on the shores of Lake Marion. I really love this house because it's divided into 3 distinct sections. It has the entertainment portion, and then on either side of that is the master bedroom and the guest bedrooms. Perfect for lots of privacy, which I know Roy and Rocky both will appreciate. Hello, hello.
Hey, how's it going, big guy?
I'm doing great. How are you guys?
Oh, we here getting it in.
All right. You guys ready to hear about this house?
Most definitely. Let's get it in because Rocky has a previous engagement
You
and
do.
he has to jet out of here.
Let me tell you a little bit about Cypress Pointe.
Okay.
It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,534 square feet, so lots of space to move around. And the price is right at the tippy top at $289,900.
That's great. That'll give us a little wiggle room just
Yeah.
in case we want to make some upgrades.
I like that.
Yeah.
Let's go look at this house.
All righty.
Here we go. The hunt starts now. Come on in, guys.
Whoa, okay. All righty.
What do you think?
This is nice. This is nice.
I like the bright colors.
You like the bright colors?
Yes.
Good. Tall ceilings, just as you asked for.
Just like I asked for, yes.
Are you feeling the air?
Yes, I'm a kind of big guy, so I like space.
Absolutely. Always want to continue.
Let's check it out.
All right,
let's check out the rest of it.
All right, why not? Come on into the kitchen, guys. Nice and white.
All righty, yes. Nice and cozy.
Cozy.
Feels good.
Is that what you wanted? Is this the feeling that you were looking
Yes,
for?
I want to feel that home feeling instead of like a museum feeling.
All right, let's check out the family room.
Okay.
So we have an eat-in kitchen, which is great
Nice.
for everyday use.
Nice.
Here's our family room. All right, let's sit down.
Okay.
How I always feel if there's furniture in a house that everyone should sit in every room they're looking at.
Most definitely.
All right, before we go and check out the rest of the house, I want to be respectful of your time. How much more time do we have with you?
We probably need to get him out here immediately.
We do not want you to be late.
All right, let's do it.
So it's ciao for now, Rocky. But he should be pleased with his room. He has a choice of 3 guest bedrooms and his own bathroom, all located in a separate wing. You said you wanted a little privacy? I'm
Yes.
giving you your own wing.
That is good. Wing is good. I like wings.
Look at this. Isn't
Yes.
this nice?
This is real nice.
The good bedroom.
Absolutely. It's better than good. It's actually great.
Do you enjoy the carpet or would you get rid of it?
I'll probably go with a different carpet.
I say just go with hardwood throughout the entire house. That's hot. That's sexy.
I'm all about that.
Because when Rocky leaves,
Yes.
Lord knows what's going to be happening in this house.
There'll only be 2 people. Lord knows, and I'm a no. That's it. That's it.
It's got double doors right out to the lanai, which is wonderful.
Okay.
But before we get out there,
Okay.
why don't you check out the bathroom?
Oh, yeah.
For you.
This is nice. Yes.
It's big, right?
Very.
So you like the bathroom?
I'm feeling it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm going to take you outside.
Let's do
I
it.
want to show you what's happening out there. Come on out.
Okay.
Nice little porch. It opens up to the kitchen, and then we have our nice little bird cage here, which is great for entertaining.
Yes, it's kind of got that outdoor feel. You got your grill going on there.
What do you think of the house overall?
Overall, I like the house. I like the family feel of the house.
Anything else I could show you in the house for tomorrow?
Something a little newish.
Yeah, why not?
Design it.
I mean, we're looking for it. We might as well find exactly what you want.
No doubt.
The Lakeland region shows there's more to Florida's natural charm than beaches and Everglades. I'm exploring its serene lakes and cute towns on the hunt for Roy and Rocky's dream home. So Roy absolutely loved the house yesterday. He said it felt like home, and that just warms my heart. But he flat out told me, listen, I love this house. This is a great option, but show me something brand new. So today I'm showing him the Savannah in Dinner Lake Shores, a community so new, it's still being built. All they have to do is pick the plot, pick the plan, pick the finishes, wait 6 months, and move right in. What's up, what's up?
Hey, here we are.
We are back.
Yes, we are.
Trying to find your bachelor pad.
Yeah, all over again.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
All right, so let me tell you a little bit about the Savannah. This particular house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,783 square feet, sits on a nice lot for you to mow.
That's tough.
So excited for you.
Good.
And this particular model prices out at just a little over $261,000. But if you wanted to be completely extra and go with all the finishes that are fabulous, this could price out at mid-400s.
Nah, we don't want to go that high.
You don't want to go that high.
No, we don't want to go that high.
But the option is yours.
Okay.
Should we check it
Options
out?
are good. Let's check it out.
Let's do it. All right. Come on in, guys.
All righty.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think of this open floor plan?
I like that.
Take a seat. Sit on the
Let's go.
couch. Let's go feel the room.
All righty.
Let's feel the room.
Okay.
Feel the energy. What do you think?
Feels good.
Yeah.
Feel cozy, homey.
So one thing about this room that is lacking.
Okay.
This house does not have a fireplace.
You are correct. It does not have a fireplace. The great thing about a model home, you don't see it, you just add it.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Why don't
Absolutely.
you guys get up and go and explore the kitchen? I'll be right
Already
behind
then,
you.
the kitchen is good.
And being a model home, if you want it like a 90-degree angle, then you just request it.
And I like the way it's setting here, so even if I'm in the kitchen, I can still see the game with the guys.
100%. All right, come on into the master bedroom.
Nice.
Isn't this good?
Like the artwork. Artwork's so good.
It's not as big as the room that we saw yesterday, and it does not have the vaulted ceilings. If you want the vaulted ceilings in here to have that extra space, you can put those in. Check out the master bath.
Let's check it out.
Do it.
Love the space.
Big enough for you?
Yes, no doubt about it. I like it. He's just checking out another section there.
I love it.
But the separate his and hers sink,
Yep.
like that.
Rocky, what do you think?
Closet. I like the closet.
You like the closet because it's got space for your stuff. Who's got more stuff? There's plenty of storage in each of the bedrooms, too. And although Rocky isn't thrilled by the aesthetic in this one,
I guess not.
he can design it however he wants. All right, let's check out the outside.
Alrighty.
I mean, isn't all the foliage amazing? Obviously, it's a very brand new community, but the great part of it is that you get to choose your plot.
Options.
The options are really fun.
Options are good.
All right, so there is a downside. One, you have to wait for the house to be built. And number two, you're gonna have to deal with construction for a fair amount of time.
Yes, that would definitely be a concern.
Now, I have a really cool house for you to show you tomorrow. It's an established neighborhood, but it's an older home, completely renovated from top to bottom. Very bachelor.
Can't wait to see it.
The house I'm showing you today is a complete bachelor pad. It is mid-century madness at its best. The Presley Ranch is in the city of Lakeland, just a couple of minutes from one of its many lakes. I've chosen the Presley because it's in a wonderfully established neighborhood. It has that brand new, perfect aesthetic feel that I know that Roy loves. And you know what? The house is just sexy. You know what? It just screams bachelor. Feeling it?
Yes.
This neighborhood.
Yes.
Pretty good, right?
Very.
Very well established.
Very.
Let me tell you a little bit about the Presley.
Okay.
It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,582 square feet, and the price is at the top of your price range at $315,000.
That could be doable. We can stretch it a little bit.
Right at the top, but there's nothing to do.
Absolutely.
Let's go check it out.
Let's check it out.
Yeah. This is really great.
Superb.
Come on in, guys.
All righty. Nice. Nice. I'm feeling it.
This is really nice.
This is good.
This is like a place for you to like be super sexy, like sexy couches and sexy chairs and just really creating the ambiance. So when you bring people over, whether it's your friends or family, when I say friends, you know.
Yeah, I'm feeling you on the free thing. Yeah. Sexy is good.
Exactly.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's continue on to the kitchen.
Fabulous.
Cool, right?
Yes.
This is good, right?
Nice,
I mean, look at these windows.
Yes.
I love how this overlooks the entertaining area.
Yes.
The king and the prince owning the roost here.
This is how we do. That's what I'm talking about.
Prince Rocky gets his very own wing, including a full bathroom, and he's going to love his bedroom. Come on in, guys.
Now this could be my room.
There you go. Now we're talking. Now you're feeling it, aren't you? A room with a view. And because there's 2 more guest rooms, Rocky could use one as an extra large walk-in closet. While for the king, there's a king-size master suite. This is by far the biggest master that we've seen thus far.
Yes, I can see myself in here.
Yeah.
I can see myself in here arranging it just like...
He's claiming this, like he's gonna have a little fight.
We'd have to negotiate on that.
I can't believe it's even up for negotiation,
yes, we have
right?
to negotiate on that.
Well, whoever gets this room also scores a sleek, masculine ensuite. And guess what, Rocky? Out back, there's less grass to mow and more pool to swim in. All right, come on out.
Less yard work.
Less yard work, yes, 100%. I mean, it's always nice to have a pool here in Florida.
Yes.
And the great thing about pools that were built in the mid-century, they're much bigger than the pools that they have now, and they're much deeper.
Yes, that's a good thing.
Which is always a bonus. What do you guys think of the house overall?
Very unique. Like it a lot.
Good, good.
Like it a lot.
All right, I have a bunch of properties that I can still show you.
We appreciate it, but we think we've got a pretty good mixture.
All right.
And we just want to decide which is more our flavor.
You guys take all the time you need. When you're ready, give me a call, and then we'll get this ball rolling.
I'll sure do that. We appreciate your help. Couldn't have done it without you.
All right, guys. How was your few days of mulling over what house you're gonna buy?
It's been amazing. It's a life experience.
That's pretty great. Let's talk about all these houses.
Absolutely.
All right, so the first house I showed you was a very typical Florida home. Very expansive, over 2,500 square feet. Had lots of bedrooms, lots of bathrooms.
I like the house, especially the master bedroom.
You like that, huh?
That master bedroom, yes, that was
good.
on point.
All right, then I took you over to see a model home. I mean, tell me your thoughts about this.
Yes. The Savannah was nice, and what it meant to me was this is what it could be.
Right.
I could expand, I could change, I could alter.
There's just 2 kind of down points, and those would be waiting
Yes.
and then living in construction.
And a
for-
construction zone.
So the last house I wanted to show you, which is the Presley, was a unique house. The house itself was older, but completely refinished on the inside, so it felt brand new. So tell me what you loved about the Presley.
The pool and the kitchen.
Kitchen was great.
Yes.
That master bedroom, I'm sorry, was gigantic.
Yes, it was.
You have given me zero clue, because so far, I could see you taking any of these houses.
Yes.
Keeping it very,
Yes.
very contained. Have you guys agreed on a house, before you came here?
No,
Well, I'm gonna ask Rocky what he wants.
the Presley.
The Presley, the pool. It's a sexy house, isn't it? All right, now are you agreeing with him?
The Presley is nice.
Yeah.
Location, not so much.
Sounds like you think you know exactly where you want to be.
Yeah, I
We're
got
going
it.
to Presley, David.
Okay.
So really, are we going with the Presley because you seem to...
No, we're not.
Yes.
We're going with the Savannah.
Tell me exactly why.
I love to have options. I don't like to be just boxed in. If I want to do this, I can do this. And if I want to do that, I can do that.
6 months to wait for a house that you can customize?
It'll be worth the wait.
Oh my gosh, you're living the dream right now, my friend.
Yes, put my signature on it. Today is a very monumental day. We're going to be meeting at the house. We're going to go through step by step how everything is going to be planned out, how the furniture is going to be laid out. So we cannot wait to get in there and get this thing started. You know, everybody says good guys always finish last. Home itself is actual proof. The good guys finishing first this time. All righty. This is Casa de Leaf here. The plan for the house is to be real warm. When you come in, you feel like you're in a family home. Let's check out Rocky's room.
This is sweet.
I think about the house as a kingdom.
Rocky's domain here.
Have my own room, no downstairs neighbors. I can play my music loud as I want.
The whole combination of the house. It's also the realization of my wife, Janet's and I dream. We always wanted the home, and I tell you what we did. I bought her a watch for her anniversary, and I put the watch in the foundation of the home right in front of the front door. So as soon as you walk in the home, that watch is right there, so she will always be in that home. Come on out of there, Auntie Peaches. There she is.
I feel good out here.
She made it, B. She made it. She made it. Having all the family members here today is a very meaningful thing because it's not just about me. It's about family also. And we've always been a close family, and we always will be.